In this video, I will be showing you how to do a circle with a photo in it on Canva. So for example, let's say we are creating an Instagram post and we would like to add a photo in a circle. All you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Elements. After selecting Elements in the top left-hand corner, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in circle frame. So you can select circle frame right here. After you have done that, you can see different options. And we can tap on see all for frames. And you can see the different options that you have right here. So for example, if we were to select this one, after selecting it, you can go over to the left-hand menu option once more, tap on uploads, and from there you can add your photo. So for example, if I wanted to add this photo, I can drag and add it, and you can see how it looks right there. Or for example, this one, and you can see how it looks. Now, if I were to select another frame style, so let's say for example, I were to go back to elements, and I were to select this one. After selecting this one, you can see that with this one, I also have a bordering that I can change the color for. So for example, if I were to add a photo, let's say this photo, drag and drop this photo, I can also change the color of the bordering if I want by tapping on the color box at the top navigation bar right here. So you could tap right there and you could change the color to any one of these options, as you can see right there. So for example, you can see that I can change it to green, I can change it to yellow, or so on. So if it is a case that you'd like to add a bordering around your circle, you can select that option. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.